This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 2 on PC. To begin your epic journey, first, you'll need to download the free Dota 2 client directly from the Steam platform. Once installed, dive into the comprehensive in-game tutorial. It's crucial for understanding basic controls and mechanics. Take your time to explore the user interface and various game modes available. This foundational step ensures you're well prepared for the exciting battles ahead. Dota 2 features 2 teams, each with 5 unique heroes, battling to destroy the opposing team's ancient structure. You'll earn experience and gold by defeating neutral creeps, lane creeps, and enemy heroes. Gold is vital for purchasing powerful items from the shop, which significantly enhance your hero's attributes and abilities. Mastering these core mechanics is essential for contributing effectively to your team's success. Dota 2 boasts an impressive roster of over 120 heroes, each fulfilling distinct roles within a team. You'll encounter common roles like carry, support, offlane, midlane, and roamer, each with specific responsibilities. Understanding these roles and how they synergize is crucial. Effective team composition, combined with clear communication, forms the bedrock of a successful strategy, leading your team towards triumph. To elevate your Dota 2 skills, focus on advanced techniques like last-hitting creeps for maximum gold efficiency. Mastering warding and duarding provides crucial map vision, denying your opponent's information. Always maintain strong map awareness to anticipate enemy movements. Watching professional matches offers invaluable insights into high-level strategies and hero interactions, helping you refine your own gameplay and become a formidable player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.